Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to do the window thingy. I'm just washing the window here with thieves cleaner. You can use vinegar, Windex, whatever you use. And then I'll get started. This is the paint I used. It's a tempera paint, washable. And there's the frog tape. You can use the 1-inch frog tape if you're doing it on a smaller window. I used the thicker one on the large window. Here I'm doing the semicircle sun. This is the hardest part because it's curved. How you do it is you hold the top of it with one finger, and then with the other finger, other hand, you can maneuver which way you want to do it. Here I didn't really like the way the circle looked, so you can lift it right up and move it how you like and fix it that way. Just make sure you press the tape down really well so the paint doesn't go underneath. Now I'm starting with like the sun rays. You kind of want to go on a curved direction. Make them look like triangles. And then you want to section off each sun ray. Alright, so we're going to start out. I wanted to make it look like a gradient kind of. So it's actually like the first color I didn't start with red. I started with a pink red. So if it was a full circle, it would be coming from a pink into the red. But I did want to make it still look mostly red. So when you do that, you want to have the color that you mostly want, you want to have more of. And I'll explain this when I do the mix the paints for you. So this is the red pink. And the next one, because it'll be a gradient kind of like ombre-ish thing, the next square will be red. Sorry, I should have sped this up, but I wanted to like really explain each color. Okay, so red, and then we would go to red orange.
I'm just trying to get the full picture. So did they refer this back to you to get the CAT scan done?
I think I actually fixed this tape afterwards to make the other section larger, just so you know. I'll send a picture of it. So now, because we'll be transitioning into orange, you would make it orange-red, because you're taking out the red and going to orange. The next one will be orange. And then the next color you would go to is yellow. So you would do, you're taking the orange out. So you do orange, yellow, then yellow, orange, then yellow, and then yellow, green, green, yellow, green. And here I'm just going to speed it up for you so it's not such a long video. here's how I mix the colors. I first put red because that's the first one we're starting with. This is the base color. I put two separate ones because one is going to be red red and one's going to be, the first one is going to be red pink. Now I'm doing a third because it's going to turn into orange, so it'll be red orange. After the red orange, it'll turn into orange red. Then it'll be a just orange one. So this is the orange red. I'm almost out of red, so I'm like trying to get it out. Next, just orange. Then it's going to be turn into orange yellow. You don't want to, obviously, once you go into the orange yellow, you want to wipe off your spatula with any red on it. After the orange yellow, you'll want it to turn yellow orange because you're fading the orange out. Then the next one would be yellow. And the next one would be yellow green. After the yellow green, green yellow, you get the idea, I think. Here we go. Pink, red, red, orange, red, orange, orange, red, orange, orange, yellow, yellow, orange, yellow, yellow, green, and then I keep my thumb in one spot. I had already done the red, pink, and now I'm just doing the red. You want to do one base coat overall, and then you come back with a good amount of paint on your brush. You go to the base and you flip up and outward, making it look like sun rays coming out from the sun. You don't have to worry about washing your brush in between, like, say, red to red orange, because obviously you have the red on there anyway. But if you're going from, like, you want to go more into like the orange, just orange part, then you want to wash the red off of your brush, and so on. And then you just keep going and have fun. Alright, so now I'm working on the cooler colors. I'm going from the green blue to the blue green to the blue, and then I'll do blue purple, purple blue, purple, and then purple pink. I believe the purple pink's my last color. And that's it. Have fun. Now for the best part, wait for it to dry a bit. I waited like an hour. And then you can pull off the tape and see your design. Yay! I hope you guys liked my vid. Hope it was helpful. And it was super fun to learn how to use iMovie and stuff. So thanks for that. Enjoy. I hope you have pretty windows. Bye.